For anyone who's been following along on my 52 and 22 cooking challenge, you know that I don't bake very much. I'm not a good baker because I tend to jazz with the ingredient amounts, and baking is a precise art, and I really admire those who do it well. But to honor Chef Dominique Crenn, the first 3 Michelin starred female chef in the United States ever, which is a scandal of all sorts of proportions, that it took until just a few years ago for a female chef to be awarded 3 Michelin stars in the US. Still, that being said, she teamed together with a number of chefs to raise awareness, food, and money for victims of the occupation of Ukraine. And I wanted to honor her by making her Unity bread. It's Chefs for Unity, it's Unity bread. I'm going to make it first and foremost by taking the ingredients I purchased from the organization in order to donate to their cause. And they sent me all of the ingredients, and already in here, as you can kind of see, I put 2 eggs, I put 2/3 of a cup of milk, I put a 1/4 cup of sour cream, and I put the yeast, all of which they provided. And then what they told me to do is to softly, as they say, add the flour in and just gently combine everything, which again, I'm going to do. It's going to take a minute, so I'm not going to bore you with all of it. But the one thing about this is, because she sent me all of the ingredients, mostly perfectly proportioned, all I had to do was follow instructions and put the ingredients in when she told me to. So as you can see, hopefully, we're going to stir this around. She said for about 30 seconds, and then we're going to add some butter and then some salt and some sugar that she provided for me. And I will show you that in just 1 minute.